Hey, my name is Russell Brunson. I want to welcome you to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. And I'm making this video because I was looking online and there's a whole bunch of people that have videos that talk about how to make $100 in a day. And I was watching a bunch of these videos to see what people are teaching. It kind of drove me crazy. Some people had these complex plans that were like these huge elaborate things. I was like, there's no way that is even physically possible for the average human. And the other side, they have these plans that are so simple, like that would never actually work. And I got really, really frustrated. And I started thinking like, what would I tell somebody if my mom or my brother or my sister, somebody I love was sitting here and they were desperately looking like, I need $100 a day. What should I be doing? I was like, what would I actually tell them? And so that's the whole premise of this video. What would I tell my mom or my brother or somebody if they needed to make $100 in a day? Okay. And so kind of what I want to do, I want to take you back in time a little bit. If you don't know who I am, I'm the founder of a software company called Clickfunnels. And Clickfunnels is a really powerful tool that helps people build sales funnels. The problem is a lot of people at first don't know what a sales funnel is. They're completely confused. And so we started building a bunch of education and things to teach people how to build funnels. In fact, one of our best education products is this one. It's called the One Funnel Way Challenge. You probably see the website here behind me. I say website because some of you guys don't know what a funnel is yet, but this is the funnel that sells the One Funnel Way Challenge. Now, I'm not here today to pitch you on that, but I want you to understand that this is our training package. It's huge. It comes with books and MP3 players and a whole bunch of training, as well as a 30-day live training program that trains people on how to use and how to create a funnel for their business. And it's one of the most powerful training tools we have. And it's so powerful, in fact, that I actually give affiliates $100 for every single one of these boxes they give away. Okay, so it actually, if you go to onefunnelway.com and you sign up, it costs $100 to get the kit, but I pay affiliates the entire $100. So I would tell my wife or my sister or my friend, whoever's doing this, I say, go to One Funnel Way, click right here on this tab that says affiliates and become an affiliate, and then tell people to sign up for the challenge. Every person signs up for the challenge, they pay me $100, and then I give that $100 directly to the person who just signed them up. Okay, so what's powerful about this is you can literally go down the street to businesses and say, hey, what's your web presence right now? Like, I have a website or I have whatever, and say, do you know you actually should use a funnel? And like, what's a funnel? I'm like, oh, the funnel is the greatest thing in the world. Come do this training. It's $100, and over 30 days, you'll be trained over 30 days exactly how to build a funnel and launch it for your specific business. You tell a business owner that, they sign up, you get the entire enrollment fee. That $100 goes directly to you, and they get this huge kit in the mail, and they get a 30-day one-on-one coaching program. It's actually not one-on-one, it's one-on-many. It's a group coaching program, that's really, really powerful. It helps them to get a funnel built and launched inside their company. Okay, so that's what I would do. That's what I tell my mom, my sister, whoever, is this is how you go and start making $100 a day. It's very simple. It's telling people about the One Funnel Way Challenge, getting them to create their very first funnel, and they have success with that, and you get paid $100 for getting them the education they need to actually get started. And so that's it. It's not complicated. You don't have to go build a funnel. You don't have to go and do something that doesn't actually work. All you got to do is just tell people about this challenge, and you make $100 for every single person that signs up. That's it. It's so simple. It's so easy, and it's something that anybody can do. So if you want to make $100 a day, I think the easiest way is go out there and tell 10 people about the One Funnel Way Challenge. If you get 1 out of 10 to sign up, boom, you made $100. And right now, this page currently converts at about 10%. So about 1 out of every 10 people that hit this page end up signing up for the challenge. That means find 10 people, tell them about the challenge, boom. Now I'm asking you, do you think you could contact 10 people in a day? That's like 1.5 people an hour if you work an 8-hour day. Okay, all you do is tell 10 people about it. That's 1.5 people per hour, and over a day period of time, you should have at least one person sign up for the challenge. If so, you made $100. And if not, go tell a couple more people. That's the power behind the One Funnel Way Challenge, and it's exactly what I would tell you if you were sitting here with me right now. You want to make $100 a day. This is the easiest way: is give people this education program, and you get paid $100 for every single person that signs up. So I hope that helps. If you like this video, please comment, share, tell other people about it. And what I recommend is go to onefunnelway.com, click on the affiliate tab, and get started today.